Akita and bath time, making it enjoyable. Bathing your Akita can be a challenging and stressful task. Akitas are known for their independent nature and dislike being bathed. However, proper and regular grooming is essential for the overall health and well-being of your furry friend. In this article, we will explore some tips and techniques to make bath time enjoyable for both you and your Akita. Understanding your Akita's behavior. Before diving into the topic of making bath time enjoyable, it is crucial to understand your Akita's behavior. Akitas are renowned for their cleanliness and self-grooming habits. They have a thick, double coat that acts as a natural barrier against dirt and moisture. Due to this, Akitas do not require frequent baths like some other breeds. Develop trust. Trust is the foundation of any successful training process. Spend quality time with your Akita outside of bath time. Engage in activities that they enjoy and reinforce positive behavior. By building a strong bond and trust, your Akita will be more receptive to unfamiliar situations such as bathing. Choose the right products. Using the right grooming products plays a significant role in making bath time enjoyable for your Akita. Opt for gentle, hypoallergenic shampoos specifically designed for sensitive skin. Avoid harsh chemicals as they can cause irritation and discomfort. Consult your veterinarian to determine the most suitable grooming products for your Akita. Create a positive association. Creating a positive association is crucial to ensure that your Akita looks forward to bath time. Associate bath time with rewards such as treats, praise, or playtime. Before introducing your Akita to the water, offer them a treat to create a positive association with the bathing area. This will help them associate bath time with positive experiences. Introduce water gradually. Akitas are not particularly fond of water and may be initially resistant to getting in the tub. Start by slowly introducing them to water. Fill the tub with a few inches of lukewarm water and allow your Akita to explore at their own pace. Use treats and praise to encourage them to enter the tub gradually. Use gentle techniques. When it comes to bathing your Akita, it's important to use gentle techniques. Avoid spraying water directly onto their face as it can cause discomfort. Instead, use a damp cloth to clean their face. Be gentle while handling their sensitive areas such as ears and paws. Use positive reinforcement and treats to keep your Akita calm and cooperative during the bathing process. Keep the bath time short. Akitas have a low tolerance for prolonged baths. Keep the bath time short to avoid causing stress or anxiety. Thoroughly wet their coat, apply a small amount of shampoo, and gently massage it into their fur. Rinse thoroughly to remove any residue. Aim to complete the process within 10 to 15 minutes for an enjoyable experience. Drying and brushing. After bathing, gently pat your Akita's coat with a towel to remove excess water. Akitas have a dense double coat that takes a considerable amount of time to dry. Use a high-velocity dog dryer or a cool setting on a regular blow dryer to speed up the process. Avoid using a hot setting as it can damage their coat. Once dry, brush their coat to prevent matting and promote healthy skin and hair. Bathing your Akita can be a challenging task, but with the right approach, it can become an enjoyable experience for both you and your furry friend. Building trust, creating a positive association, and using gentle techniques are key to making bath time stress-free. By following these tips and techniques, you can ensure that your Akita maintains a clean and healthy coat while strengthening the bond between